pretty sure that the workshop Peers for Growth by Enterprise Europe Network is helping Symbiomatter accelerate.
The Enterprise Europe Network is an initiative of the European Commission and focused on SMEs. The first part is partnering service for SMEs to find partners in Europe and also for research institutions. And the second part is to help SMEs for the innovation process. And you can think about digitalization or sustainability. Within the network we have the Peer for Growth meetings, and they are important for the SMEs because they have peer learning, and so they learn from each other with respect to difficulties and challenges and problems to take from a startup position to a scale-up position.
Grid is a company that supports startup growth, and we do that by facilitating acceleration programs, training for the ecosystem to develop startups based on startup framework, and also deliver insights based on our data model.
We at Symbiomatter are developing a biodegradable foam, and this all for a circular economy.
Studio Cactus is a tech company specialized in the software solutions for port logistics facilities, reinforcing health, safety, security and environment.
So the workshop is focused on growth, and every startup goes through certain milestones in order to achieve that growth. And today we're working on a development plan with all the participants so that they can work towards one of these milestones and accomplish that within 3 to 6 months. The importance for milestones in relation to startup development and growth is that entrepreneurs tend to skip a milestone when they try to grow, and then they stall. And what we try to do is give them focus on the milestone that they need to achieve at this point in time, so that they don't stall when they grow into a scale-up.
The workshop Peers for Growth was very valuable. It was not only to create a better understanding of all of the milestones ahead of us, but also to really focus and to really execute them.
The experience that we have has been really profitable because we understood really well the stage that we are in the startup, and also to learn about the other challenges that the entrepreneurs in the room have.